Hello learners. Today in this video we are going to solve the examples of practice set 1.1 which is based on the theorem ratio of areas of two triangles. First example is base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Given in this problem they have given two triangles. Suppose base of first triangle, that is B1 is equal to 9, height of first triangle H1 is equal to 5. Now base of another, that is second triangle B2 is equal to 10 and height H2 is equal to 6. Now here they ask you to find out ratio of areas of these two triangles. Now let's see the steps how to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we are going to use the property that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So according to this property, we will write the ratio of areas of triangles is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now we will insert the values in this formula. Is equal to, the value of B1 is 9 into H1 is 5 upon B2 is 10 into H2 is 6. Now we will solve this. 9 5s are 45, 10 6s are 60. If you will divide this by 15, you will get the ratio 3 upon 4. So the answer is, therefore, ratio of areas of triangles is equal to 3 upon 4. The second example is, in the adjoining figure, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB. Length of BC, that is BC is equal to 4. And length of AD is 8. Then we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ADB. Given in triangle ABC base, for triangle ABC base is equal, base B1 is equal to AB and height H1, that is BC, and the length is 4 unit. In triangle ADB base, that is B2, for this triangle ADB base is AB and height, that is H2, height is AD and the measure of this height or length of this height is 8 unit. Now if you observe this given, both the triangles have the same base AB. So we will use the property of bases of both the triangles are equal. Now here we have to find ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ADB. Now we will solve this example. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB, bases are same. Here ABC is having the base AB and triangle ADB is having the base AB. Both bases are same. So we are going to use the property that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ADB is equal to height of ABC is equal to H1, that is BC, and the height of ADB is H2, that is AD. Now we will put the value in this. Now we will put the value in this equation. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to value of H1 is 4, value of H2 is 8. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, answer ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Now let's see the next problem. In the adjoining figure, segment PS is perpendicular to RQ, segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is 6, PS is 6 and PR is 12, then we have to find out QT. Here they have given length of RQ is 6, length of PS is 6, length of PR is equal to 12. Now we have to find out the length of QT. Students, in this problem, we will consider one triangle, that is triangle PQR. This triangle PQR has two heights. First height is PS and the second height is QT. Now, for in triangle PQR, suppose height is QT. So, when height is QT, base is PR. And for the same triangle, when height is PS, then its base will be RQ. That means one triangle has two different bases and two different heights. So students, here we will use our first property, which that is ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So ratio of area of triangle PQR to the area of triangle PQR. Here both the triangles are same is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So for triangle PQR, we will consider our first statement, that is product of base PR and height QT upon, now the same triangle PQR, we will consider our second statement, that is when base is RQ and height is PS. So here RQ multiply by PS. As both the triangles are same, so the area or ratio of the areas of both the triangles will be 1:1. Therefore 1 upon 1 is equal to PR into QT upon RQ into PS. Therefore, here we will do cross multiplication. That means PR into QT multiplied by 1 is equal to PR into QT. If we multiply anything by 1, the value remains same, and RQ into PS multiplied by 1 is equal to RQ into PS. Now we will put the values. PR, the value of PR is 12, into QT we have to find out. The value of RQ is equal to 6 multiplied by the value of PS is equal to 6. Here 12 into QT is equal to 6 6 are 36. Now we want to find out the value of QT. So whatever number is associated with it, we will take the opposite number to that side. Here 12 is multiplied by QT. So QT is equal to, it will get divided to 36. So 36 upon 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Therefore QT is equal to 3 upon 1. Anything upon 1, the value is the same. Therefore QT is equal to 3 units. So answer QT is equal to 3 units. Fourth problem. In the adjoining figure, segment AP is perpendicular to the segment BC. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Then we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle BCD. Students, here they have given us that line AD is parallel to the line BC. We have to find out ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle BCD. Now solution. Let's see how to solve this. To solve this problem, we need to construct one segment. That is, we will draw segment DQ, which will perpendicular to line BC. So DQ is perpendicular to line BC in such a way that point B, C, Q are linear points. That means they are on the straight line. Here we have done this construction. Now they have already given us that line AD is parallel to line BC. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Now when two lines are parallel to each other, the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is the same. That means the perpendicular distance between these two lines AD and BC is AP and DQ. According to the property, the perpendicular distance is the same. Means AP is equal to DQ. Now in triangle ABC, base B1 is equal to BC. In triangle ABC, this is the base B1, BC we indicated by B1, and height is AP, that is H1. In triangle BCD, now we will consider this triangle. Base B2. In triangle BCD, base is BC and height H2. This is the height DQ. If you observe these two lines, here both the triangles have same base and their height is different, AP and DQ. But as we saw here, the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is the same, that is AP is also equal to DQ. Now let's use the property. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to height of ABC is AP and height of BCD is DQ is equal to AP. Here, as AP is equal to DQ, we will write DQ is equal to AP, as AP is equal to DQ. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. AP will get cancelled, so it will remain 1:1. Therefore, answer, area of triangle ABC, the area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.